of your love. I'm calling you up to getting down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough. Turning you up to getting down, down, down. Piece of your heart, piece of your love. I'm calling you up to getting down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough. Turning you up to getting down, down, down.
What? Sorry, just quickly. What if it's
da 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 down, down, down.
It's cold and I've nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can hear her. Starts to whistle as she dances the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice. It's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. It's another day for you and me in paradise.
Milano traffic, Saudia 211 is on final, runway 35 right. Milano traffic, Saudia 211 is 7 nautical miles to the south of 2,500 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight into runway 35 right.
One thousand. Five hundred. 400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Woke up this morning and the streets were full of cars, all bright and shiny like they just arrived from Mars. And as I stumbled through last night's drunken debris, the paper boy screamed out the headlines in the street. Another war now, the pound is looking weak. And tell me, have you read about the latest freak? When bingo numbers and our names are obsolete, why do I feel bitter when I should be feeling sweet? Hello, hello, turn your radio on.
Milano traffic, Saudia 211, crossing runway 17 right.
Help me sing my song. Hello, hello, turn your radio on. Is there anybody out there? Help me sing my song. Hello. Just when you think you learned how to use it, it's gone. Woke up this morning and my head was in a daze. A brave new world has dawned upon the human race. A world so meaningless and everything's surreal. Gonna have to reach my friends to find out how I feel. And if I taste the honey, is it really sweet? And do I eat it with my hands or feet? Does anybody really listen when I speak? Or will I have to say it all again next week?